In today's video, we are going to show how to download ClonaDesk. Go to search bar and search for clonadesk.com. Tap on the first link to open the website. Once the website appears, click on Download Now. Go to Downloads and open ClonaDesk Installer. Accept the agreement by reading the policy and click on Next. Select the path of file wherever you want in the system and click on Next. This process will take just a few seconds. To avail advanced features, you need to sign in first. Go to Sign In option and click on Sign In. You can sign in with Google or as well as email. Click on Continue with Google. Select your Google account and click on it. Click on Continue option. Here we go. Now you can use ClonaDesk seamlessly.